This is my assignment on westward expansion. I've asked the students to write a short researched report on one of the following. These are things that we've studied in the unit. I've provided them a quick little outline to start, asked them to cite their sources, and provided a text box for them to paste or upload the report. This is the teacher view. I'm going to show you another one that I've done. It is, US map right here. This one is a labeling exercise. It's actually a project grade. You see I've said see this video for a demonstration. I haven't recorded the video yet because I need to gain access to my student site, and in order to do that I've got to work with my administrator a little bit to get that. So I don't have it. It's still in the teacher version, and I tell you that because I've got the big map. This is actually a thing link. I told you about that earlier in the semester. The thing link, you can click on it, and it's actually interactive. It's pretty cool. Like, you can click on it, and it gives you a box, tells you some information. But in this case, I don't provide them information on the states because all it is a labeling exercise. But I also wanted you to see the map, and then in each of the questions, I've just done a smaller screenshot thing link of the area that they're to identify. And the reason I did that is so they don't have to keep toggling back and forth. On the student view, these will come on different pages, and so they'll have to toggle back and forth between pages, and I don't want to have them, I don't want to require them to do that. And I had to break it down into chunks. I wish I didn't have to, but that was the restriction of my platform. So they're just matching. I put them in a little bit of order, kind of by chunks, all the way down. And there's the black set. And the territories. Oh.